The first condition of self knowledge and self education is not only being aware of one's own weaknesses, ignorance, stupidity, conformity, mediocrity, shortcomings, and many other evils and bad things of which one, as both man and woman, is capable of, but it's also the realization and the understanding that nothing happens without a reason. Nothing happens because of ourselves, but of a universal, invisible, influential reason, which we can neither see nor understand because of our finite, relative, dependent, and sort of weak intelligence, knowledge, power, and that anything and everything, which is both good and evil, that happens to us, to everyone, both men and women, happens not because of the others, but because, as part of fate, destiny, and the soul which we have chosen, or the soul which chose us, which is already engineered, programmed, manufactured with certain ends, codes, ambitions, desires, tragedies, and which chose the human body as flesh and blood and installed itself into it by God, and that soul through the human medium definitely is going to try to achieve those decided ends and achieve those ambitions, actualize those purposes for which it is set or designed in one way or another. That is self education, not blaming oneself nor the others for one's own adversities, miseries, tragedies, losses, sufferings, shortcomings, betrayals, but recognizing all of it as being beyond the reach or the power for control, desire, ambition, and also as part of what we are not able to see in ourselves, what we generally avoid, deny, repress in ourselves, and that is our own bad qualities, counterproductive characteristics, evils, shortcomings, and obviously is the unintegrated shadow, repressed content, and unconscious material which causes either the self hate, self doubt, or hate, jealousy, and malice for the others, either for their wealth, riches, success, and other things into their lives, or because of our adversity, suffering, poverty, neither of which we control or we're in control, because we're essentially not in control of anything which happens either to us or to the others. We're interdependent contingent creatures upon environment, animals, and society for food, survival, communication, because man is a political and a social animal and desires the sense of man. All men by nature desire knowledge. Curiosity is another problem in us, which has already led us into so many disasters, pains, wars. So, education must teach us all that. And education must also teach us to become self reliant, self worthy, self reliant